This is a fantastic little electric teapot, right? Plug it into the wall right here. And it just connects to this base here. This thing on the bottom connects to the base. You put it on. Then, I mean, it's not plugged into the wall, as you can see. But, yeah, you put this down, pop up, and I mean, yeah, put your water in there, and it's great. I mean, really, what more could you ask for? It's a great teapot, doesn't take up much space, heats up super fast, right, very hot, very easy to use. I mean, just carry around, pour it, your hot water, put it on the base. It's great.